Scientific notation is just a way to write really big or really small numbers. Let's take a look at some examples. 3,450,000 is a really big number, so we're going to move the decimal, which is right by that last zero, and move it to the left until we have one digit to the left of the decimal. We move the decimal 6 times, so our exponent is 6. This means our answer is 3.45 times 10 to the 6th power. Let's do the same thing with 0.000924. This time we move the decimal to the right in order to have one digit to the left of the decimal. We move the decimal 4 times, and this time our exponent is negative because 0.000924 is less than 1. Now let's go from scientific notation back to standard form. 7.13 times 10 to the 3rd power has a positive exponent, so we know we're going to have a fairly big number. We move the decimal to the right 3 times in order to create this bigger number. Then we just fill in the empty space with a 0. So our answer is 7,130. 6.88 times 10 to the negative 2 has a negative exponent, so we know we're dealing with a smaller number that is less than 1. So we move the decimal 2 places to the left, and our answer is 0.0688.